Hello friends, welcome to the fourth chapter of the Dakia.com training series. In this chapter, we will understand some important things about parcel weight, dimensions and packaging, which every Dakia agent must keep in mind while accepting parcels. Along with that, we'll also talk about one more important requirement, which is called parcel declaration. Let's understand what role weight and dimension play in parcel booking. Every parcel's delivery charge or price is decided based on its weight and size. Dimensions mean length, width, and height, which are measured in centimeters. Some parcels are light in weight but quite large in size. In such cases, dimensional weight is applied, which is calculated using the formula length into width into height divided by 5000. For example, if a parcel's real weight is 2 kg but its dimensional weight comes out to 4.8 kg, then the customer will be charged according to 5 kg. Remember, most courier companies calculate dimensional weight by dividing parcel volume by 5000, but some companies use a different divisor. For example, India Post calculates chargeable weight dividing by 6000. Now, let's talk about correct packaging. This is not only important for safety but also for legal responsibility. Make sure that the parcel is packed in your presence, either in your shop or under your supervision. Use a solid and properly sized box, one that doesn't get crushed or lose shape. Also remember, cushioning inside the box is essential. Use a strong tape. Thread or thin tape is not allowed. Labeling should be clear and must be placed neatly on one side of the box with sender and receiver's name, phone number and address with pin code clearly visible. Do not accept restricted items. To revisit restricted items, refer to chapter number 3, Exclusions and Restricted Items. Do not accept damaged, reused or torn boxes. Always click a picture of the parcel with the sender as a proof and to avoid disputes. Internal packaging materials like bubble wrap, foam sheets, airbag, etc. must be used for cushioning and protection. Now, let's talk about declaration of parcel contents. A written description of what is inside the parcel is called the parcel declaration. This declaration is important so that proof of item value can be available, which helps in case of insurance claim or damage. Regulatory compliance can be ensured to prevent illegal item shipping. Custom clearance can happen smoothly, especially important for international shipments. Transparency of parcel content is maintained so that verification can be done when needed. There are two types of declarations. Commercial invoice, when a product is being sold, if the item's value is up to rupees 50,000, GST is required. If the value exceeds rupees 50,000, then attaching an e-way bill is mandatory. Along with that, you must also provide quantity, value and product details. Second is household declaration, required while sending gifts or used goods. This declaration must include a list of items and approximate value and must be marked as not for sale. You can download the household declaration from the dakia.com website. For booking any parcel, attaching the declaration is necessary. Parcels without proper declaration may be held, delayed or rejected. If you are sending a fragile item via courier, then remember attaching fragile sticker, label or tape is very important. So now you must have understood that weight and dimensions are not just for measurement, they are equally important for billing, safety and legal compliance. Proper packaging and an honest declaration are essential for successful parcel delivery. I'll meet you in the next chapter where we will learn about booking flow. Till then, keep learning.